Hello, my name is Dave Lively and I'm a web designer based in Scotland. I mainly work with Joomla on most of my projects, and today I'm going to be taking you through the video series on how to use the booking extension for Joomla, Booking Robot. It's a really powerful booking system, perfect for time-based services, ideal for activities such as boat trips, bus tours, sporting venues. Pretty much any time-based service, Booking Robot can do it. What we're going to do to start with is we're going to look at the booking system from the public's point of view to show you how easy it is for the public to make bookings online. Let's do that right now.
So let's make a booking. Currently there are 3 services to choose between. We've got Boat Trip 1 and Boat Hire and Bob's Beach Party. Let's select the first one of Boat Trip 1, whereupon it'll generate the dates that are available at the moment. So we can scroll through and select one of these dates. Let's go for the 15th of June next year, and then we'll select a time. So there are the times that are currently available for this particular service. So let's choose 2 PM, and then we can tell it how big our group size is, where we had the option of setting up different price categories. So for our group at the moment, we're going to have 2 adults and 2 kids. And as we made that selection, notice the price updating as well as the capacity updating as well. So you'll never be able to book more than the current availability. After that, we've got a couple of optionals. Optional extras is a way of sort of upselling to your main package. For this one, as it's a boat trip, if we wish, we could also hire some fishing rods. And this is set up to charge per person. As there are 4 people in my group, it's going to charge me 4 times 5, so that'll be an extra £20 if I select that. And as you can see, the price updates here. The last element here is a form element, which is a way of gathering extra information from your customers that isn't included in the standard form, which we'll fill out in a moment. So to continue, let's add some numbers in here as a phone number and then click Next. We now need to add our billing details in. And then click Next. Here we're now presented with a preview of what we're choosing to book on the left hand side, and then our contact details on the right hand side. So we can quickly check it over, and if we're happy to continue, we click Pay Now, where we'll be directed to PayPal. And at this point, our booking is also saved as pending. We now have a set amount of time to try and make a payment. For any reason, if we don't make a payment, then our booking will automatically be cancelled. The default for this time is normally 30 minutes. Now on PayPal, we have an option. We can use a PayPal account if we have one, or if we don't, we can check out as a guest and use a credit or debit card there. So you don't need to have a PayPal account to make payments. We can add our password in and click Login. And once that comes through, depending how quick PayPal is at the time, there we are. All we need to do now is click Pay Now. And at this stage, it sends a message back to our website to say they've received the payment, which means our booking will now save as paid and our process is complete. If we wish, we can return to the merchant, which means simply go back to our website of Bob's Boat Trips.
So as you can see, it's pretty easy for the public to make bookings using this system. And the system you saw on screen here is what we're going to build now, working through the different videos within this training series. So let's get started. Our first video in the series will be how to get hold of a copy of the extension and then install it on your version of Joomla.